Hello guys, today I will introduce the website which name is cryptoemporium.eu. It's their domain name, and the website name is Crypto Emporium, and according to them the world's first luxury crypto emporium and the world's first crypto only e-commerce store. For they are saying that their website is first crypto based e-commerce store where you can purchase products like here are the examples. You can buy this type of products from here by paying Bitcoin and so many types of coins, cryptocurrencies, right? So all the links are in description. So let me show you some of the website features right now. So here you can see the interface is a very premium look and simply premium look website, and there are so many categories like electronics, miscellaneous, watches, trending, property, and car and mobiles. Motorbikes. Sorry, it's car and motorbikes. You can purchase this type of products from this website. So you need to pay the crypto only. No need to pay any type of cash and type of currency like any country currency. You need to pay only cryptocurrency like and uh, Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP, Dash, XBZ, this type of coins. So you can see top deals here, top deals function at here, and here are some of the mobile phones are showing and its price also. You can select the mobile phone and select the payment method. Payment method you can pay using it. You can select and then add to cart and send enquiry. For enquiry you can send it here and you can add to your cart from here. So it's loading. Let me come back to the home page. Wait guys, so let it loading. It's home page. By mistakenly I selected a cryptocurrency payment option, so the price was showing in cryptocurrency. Now it is in BTC. So Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G 256 GB or 256 GB bronze for 0.0883347 BTC, and it's really cheap because 14% discount. You can calculate the price according to local currency, and you can get in very cheap price from this website. By paying cryptocurrency you can buy mobile phones and many type of accessories from you, and you can see most popular things, popular mobile phone and gadgets from here. And there are in upper side, upper header, you can see so many types of categories are there like car and mobile phones. uh, I'm sorry, it's cars and motorbikes and watches, property, trending, electronics, miscellaneous. So here you can see some of the product and trending product list. You can check it out. And here social media fits 30 days worldwide delivery. Mean if you are from any location from the world, then this website will deliver your product to your location within 30 days according to the website mentioned here. So competitive price update daily, because cryptocurrency price won't become stable, so they will update the price of every gadgets daily. Okay, so 100% authentic and certified products mean you will get a bill, and a bill that will show that this product is authentic and the product is authentic and certified. So, and secure anonymous crypto transfer. The crypto you transfer, your data, your information won't be shared anywhere. So that's a good thing because anonymous crypto transfer is the best thing. Then you can see users review, users message from here. Here the name of users who use this website, and you can read their comments from here. So we invite you to list your product and receive Bitcoin. If you want to sell your products, then you can list your products out here, and you can also get the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more cryptocurrencies which is listed out here. Here you can see the contact us button, and they are also available at WhatsApp and email. You can also do live chat support. And for more information, you can also contact them and secure payment. These type of cryptocurrency payments they accept. You can check here, check it out at here, and this is the address, phone number, email address. So it is the website homepage interface, and you can see all the interface from here. Like this is user panel. You can click at here, my account. You can log into your account. Like first of all, you need to sign up using your email address and basic details like this: first name, last name, phone number, username, email address, and password. After registration, you can log into here, and then you can add products to your cat, and you can proceed with the order from here. And you can see also their stores list are showing like Asia houses, apartments, and everything you can find out at here. And there are also cryptocurrencies going on, like that name is Emporium. You can get good information about that in the next video, and all the links of this website, their Telegram channel, their Twitter page or Facebook, you can find below the video. Please check it out, and if is there any issue, then don't forget to comment on this video. And thanks. This is I really like this website, and I'm thinking to order something from this, because you can see the price are very cheaper than your local market. So better to use these, and better to pay cryptocurrency by ordering these products. Thank you.